Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a Honda Inverter EB2200i. During the wintertime, they brought this in and I totally went through the carburetor, put a carburetor kit in there, changed oil in it, put a new plug in there and everything. And I drained the gas out after I got it running because they didn't know when they were going to use it again. So anyways, he put gas in it the other day. It won't start. Well, I started tearing it apart. You gotta see what's going on with this. I'll show you in here in a second. But anyways, I took this cover out. This is where the carburetor and everything is. Everything looks fine. And I took the air filter off. Took these two 8mm nuts off. And I sprayed some carburetor clean in there. It wouldn't do nothing. So I loosened this drain plug right here for the carburetor. You can see how nice and clean that carburetor is. I just went through this whole thing, I think back in January or something. Look at that. That's all water coming out of there. All water. Look at that. It's not gas at all. It's all water. Ain't that crazy? I don't know if that was an accident or sabotage or what. But the only way to fix this is I gotta dump all the gas out of the tank and flush it out a little bit. Then just pull the rope with that drain plug open till gas starts coming out, and hopefully we'll get it running because this has a fuel pump. So when you pull the rope, that's how the gas gets to the carburetor. Well, let me go dump this out and put some fresh gas in there, see if we can't flush out all that water out of the lines. And okay, I dumped all the gas out, and like 3/4 of the tank, it was solid gas, but water is heavier than gas, so the water was all on the bottom. Then like the last quarter of the tank, pure water came out of there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blow out everything out of the tank. And it's good to use a rag so you don't get gas and stuff in your eye. This is premium. Now gas is starting to come out now. I'll pull it a few more times. Let that gas push all that water out of there. Still kind of half and half. The little bubbles, that's water. Okay, I'll tighten that up. See if we can get the fire. Put it on choke. These are awesome little generators. They're nice and quiet. Okay, let's just double check that because like I said, the water is heavier than gas, so it's going to sit in the bottom of the bowl of the carburetor. And see down there, that's pure gas coming out of there, no bubbles. It's all gas. Yeah, I wasn't going to do a video on this because like I said, I did a video on this last winter. But I wanted to show you if you ever ran into this problem where you get water in your gas, this is an easy way to do it without tearing it all apart, taking the gas tank out. You know, if it's not running and you know there's nothing on the carburetor, loosen up the drain plug on the carburetor, and the water's going to come out first if you have water. And if you have water, dump the gas out, blow out the tank, and just open that screw for the drain and just slowly pull the rope out, and it's going to pump all that water out of all the lines. Then when all the water's out, it's going to have pure gas going there. So anyways, I hope this video helps you in case you have a predicament like that. And it's an easy way to take the water out without tearing the whole thing apart. Everything's so compact in here. If you don't know what you're doing, you're probably never going to get all the wiring and everything back in there like it was when it came from the factories. That's a good, easy way to do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. But that's all ready to go now.